Wizadora, we adore her. Doing things in her very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up our day.
Error, error, command not recognized. That's the second time, Phoebe. You're just not concentrating.
Oh, sorry, Poot. Hangle, could you whistle a little more softly? It's putting me off.
Oh, well, I beg your pardon. I'm sure, Phoebe.
I wish I could whistle.
No, it's easy. You purse your lips together and blow.
Can't whistle, Filbert? Well, that's not surprising.
Who ever heard of a whistling vegetable?
Lots of people can't whistle. I bet Phoebe can't.
I can.
I want to whistle.
Well, I'm the best whistler in this kitchen, so I am.
I want to whistle. I want to whistle. Wizadora.
What? Oh, it's you, Filbert. Oh, hello, you lot. I was concentrating so hard on my paper, I didn't see you there. Now, Filbert, what's the matter?
I want to whistle.
You want to whistle? Well, I'm sure I've got a whistling spell in my spell book. Let's have a look. Ha! Here it is. Don't worry, Filbert. We'll soon have you whistling just like a...
Like a kettle.
OK, just like a kettle.
3, 4. This is going to be my great binge year. Down in ginger beer. Oh, you crispy pose, go away. Now, I need 3 more spoonfuls. Or was it 4? Oh, dear. Perhaps it was 5.
Oh, dear. Oh, that sounds awful. Oh, yeah, yes, she'll be there right away. Wizadora, you'll have to go at once. Your mother is in the middle of a very, very hard spell, and she needs another wand.
What about my spell?
Oh, I'm sorry, Filbert. I can't finish your spell. But why don't you try it? It's really easy. All you have to do is add 6 Sneezeberries and say Sneezeberry after each one. Now, where's my wand? Ah, there it is. Then you wave your arms twice and hopefully you whistle. Do you think you can remember all that?
Yeah!
Good. Right, bye, everyone. I must whiz.
Now, Filbert, just remember that you have to concentrate if you want to get the spell right.
Concentrate. 1 Sneezeberry. 2 Sneezeberry.
That's right, Filbert. Concentrate.
I can't concentrate with all these crows. A quick blast of my crow scarer will teach them.
3, 4.
Want a treat, Filbert?
Oh, yes, please.
Filbert, concentrate, please. You're going to get this all wrong.
5 Sneezeberry. 6 Sneezeberry. 7 Sneezeberry.
No, stop, Filbert. No, that's too many. Well, can you whistle?
Quack, quack.
Oh, no. Oh, don't pay any attention to the drawer, people. They're just teasing you.
Huh? 1 Sneezeberry. 2 Sneezeberry. 3 Sneezeberry.
Hey, Filbert!
Concentrate, Filbert.
Filbert, keep your mind on the spell.
6 Sneezeberry.
No, wait, you left some out. You didn't say. Oh, no, not again.
Oh, the spell must have gone wrong again. You'll have to start again, Filbert.
Do it again, Filbert.
Oh, watch out, Filbert. You'll get Get some on me! Oh, no. Now see what you've done.
Oh, no!
Oh, this is fun.
What's going on? Something I said?
Filbert!
Hello, everyone. I said hello. I'm back. What's the matter with all of you? Do you know what's the matter with them? Filbert, how did your whistling spell go? Can you whistle yet? Filbert!
I think the whistle spell went wrong, Wizadora.
I think it must have, Bottom. Oh, Filbert, you have had trouble, haven't you? Here, let me help you.
Thank goodness for that, Wizadora.
That was the best spell we've ever had.
It was all their fault, Wizadora. They kept teasing Filbert so he couldn't concentrate.
Right, you lot. Back to your drawers. Now, Filbert, let's try it again, and this time we'll all help you concentrate. 1,
Sneezeberry.
2,
Sneezeberry.
3,
Sneezeberry.
4,
Sneezeberry.
5,
Sneezeberry.
6.
Sneezeberry.
Well done, Filbert. I knew you could do it.
You really concentrated that time.
Now, let's see if it works.
This calls for a celebration.
Great idea. But what are we going to celebrate with? I'm going shopping this afternoon.
Oh, but we want to celebrate now.
Let me think.
That was heavy.
What's that, Tatty?
I brought it to show you, Wizadora. It's my Binger Gia. The best yet.
Ginger beer? Well, that means...
That we can celebrate Filbert's whistling success in style.
Wizadora, doing things in a very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're